Hey, what's going on, man? Got another one for y'all motherfuckers. It's your boy SS Wolfo back with another one. I told y'all the super safety is on the way. I got that motherfucker. I'm hooking up everything now, man. So y'all stay tuned. Check this out. Got everything broken down, trigger and everything. Finna put it all back together. As y'all know, you gotta take your grip off. Take out your hammer, your trigger. Take it all that out of there. And you slap your super safety in. Throw that boy on. Put it all back together. So y'all stay tuned. Finna show y'all the finished product. YouTube, so we back with the motherfucking super safety. I got that bitch in, y'all. I got that motherfucker in. Yes, sir. And she works. So to do the function check, safety, all the way out. Not working. No fire. Semi, all the way out on that side. Fires. Bring the bolt back down. Semi-safe. Super safe mode. Fire. Boom. Thing comes down. It racks back. That goes back. It resets. Comes back. Hits it again. Let's go.